Polka Band Tuba, Unpacking the Sounds of Celebration. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and musical topic, Polka Band Tuba. This phrase might sound a bit quirky to non-native English speakers, so let's explore its meaning and context together. Stay tuned to understand how this phrase is used in English and why it's important in certain musical genres. Before we delve into the phrase, Polka Band Tuba, let's first understand what a polka band is. Polka is a lively dance and music genre that originated in Central Europe and gained popularity across many countries. A polka band typically includes instruments like the accordion, clarinet, and, of course, the tuba. The music is known for its upbeat tempo and is often associated with cultural festivals and celebrations. Now, let's focus on the tuba. In a polka band, the tuba plays a crucial role. It provides the bass foundation for the music, supporting the melody and rhythm. The tuba's deep and resonant sound gives polka music its characteristic bouncy and rhythmic feel. This is why the tuba is often highlighted when discussing polka bands. When someone refers to a polka band tuba, they are specifically talking about the type of tuba used in a polka band. This phrase emphasizes the instrument's unique role and sound in polka music. It's a term that not only describes a musical instrument but also evokes a specific cultural and musical context. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what polka band tuba means and why it's a significant term in the world of music and culture. Remember, language is not just about words, it's also about the stories and contexts they represent. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Stay tuned for more interesting language insights on our channel.